I remember spending months with my mother and my brother in our little house at the end of the dirt road. Far away from everything. No people, no cars, no rules. Just freedom. Some days we would walk down to the ocean and spend the day there, swimming, riding waves, hunting octopus, fishing, and being out on the ocean on our little boat watching the whales. Other days we would hike up to the mountains, run through the forest, climb rocks, and just enjoy life. Those special places of my childhood are still there, untouched, often undiscovered. And when visiting them now, I fall in love all over again with their stunning beauty, their rawness and authenticity.